all you'll need for my pear crumble. Some pears obviously. I'm going with grapes, but you can just as easily use raspberries, blackberries, any berries you like really. Some butter, some honey, caster sugar and some plain flour. First thing we're going to do, get your fruit washed. Then we're going to top and tail the pears. And if you're as fussy as me with pears, cut them in half and then just remove that centre bit. And do that with all your pears. When you've prepared your pears, next cut them in half and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. And then into a pan. You're going to be gently boiling them on your cooker. With your grapes, just cut them in half. Do the same for all your fruit. When you've got all your fruit into a pan, don't worry if it's full like mine is, because as you simmer away with some hot water, it'll reduce. So you're going in with a tablespoon of your honey and some hot water, just enough to cover the bottom, and then you're going to simmer that away on a low heat with your fruit simmering away. Time to get your flour in a bowl along with your butter and your sugar. You want to use 2 parts flour to 1 part sugar and the equal part butter. So if you're using 200 grams of flour, you have 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter, then you're going to get them all mixed in until they resemble breadcrumbs. When your fruit's had 15 or 20 minutes simmering away, time to drain off any excess fluid and then get it into your dish. With your fruit in, it's time to go on with your crumble. Compact it down, then you can pile it up, because no one ever complained about getting too much crumble. Once you've got your crumble on, then you're going to put that in the oven at 160 for around 30 minutes. You're better off cooking a crumble long and slow at a lower temperature than you are at a higher temperature, because at a lower temperature you're ensuring that all the flour cooks. Nothing worse than raw flour when you want to bite into a crumble. It's been in the oven 30 minutes or more. Hopefully it looks something like that when it comes out. It's now time to get the custard out and dish it up.